In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your system.io account. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your system.io account, just sign in, and then when you come to your dashboard, go to your account, your profile, and you see settings, click on it. And then when you come to this left-hand side, you're going to see custom domains. So click on that. Now, by default, you have this, which is just a subdomain. That's your username.system.io. What we need to do is that we need to click on add domains. And then here, we want to type in the domain name which we want to use. Just go to your Namecheap account, and under your list of domains, you can click on domain list. You'll find the domain name you want to connect. In my case, this is the domain. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to come, I'll click on that. And then I'm going to click on save, and it's going to give me some values. Now it tells me domain name must begin with this. So I'm going to put that and click on save. Now you can see that it gives me these values here. These are CNAME records. So we need to take these to our namecheap.com domain and add them there. While on Namecheap, just come to your domain name, click on manage, and then you're going to see some values here. Make sure Namecheap basic DNS is toggled on, and then we have, so you can come to advanced DNS. Now you have quite a number of DNS records here. You just want to delete this CNAME. The reason you see this parking here is because this domain name has not yet been propagated properly. So I'm going to say yes. And then I want to delete these two. You know what? I could just leave that there. What I'll just do is that I'll click to add another record, and it's going to be CNAME record. So I want to add a CNAME record, and the host, if you come back to your system.io, is called CNAME. And then I want to copy this first value here, which is my domain name. I'm going to copy that, come back here. So I'm going to copy this, which is www. I'll copy that. You will have the same thing. And then I'll paste it here. And then the value is what we'll have here. And then I'll do the same. It's what we have here. I want to keep it blurred out. And then the value for this second one is this right up to before my domain name. I'll copy that. And then I'm going to paste that. I'm going to add another record, which is still going to be a CNAME record. And then the value, the host is going to be that. And then the target is going to be this here. So I'm just going to pause this video and do that. I've gone ahead and added those values, and I ticked on the blue ticks, on the green ticks rather here. So if I come back to the system.io page, you see it says pending validation. If I reload again, you see that it says pending validation. Now this may take up to 24 hours, but if you want to check the status, just copy your domain name, go to dnschecker.org. And if you paste your domain name here and you search, it's going to do a scan. And I get this result with everything ticked green, which shows that the propagation has actually worked. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give it a thumbs up. God bless you. Peace.